So, Brian, what were your primary objectives with your architectural design of this building?
The original brief or hope was that we would create some kind of an oasis in the city. And what we meant by that was that we would create something that had a variety, the senses were sort of tickled, and that it would be very high quality, and then that the green aspects would be very much high on the agenda. But that one wouldn't necessarily have to work that hard to be green. The building would do the work for you.
So, would you say you've actually achieved those objectives?
Some things have been dropped along the way and other things have found their way in, but I think it's worked out pretty well, yeah.
So what technologies and what green aspects did you include in the design?
I suppose it's a mixture of passive and active, and most green buildings would try those kinds of things. So you've probably seen the site here, and the site is quite awkward in terms of access to the sun. So we've turned a lot of the building around to face south and face the sun. So that would be the main sort of passive system, and then that's supplemented by the ground source heat pumps, the geothermal heat, where we bring heat up from underground into the building. Solar panels, which you can see around the building, which are doing a lot of the hot water heating.
So what would you say to the ordinary punter out there who's trying to decide on the choice of an apartment and maybe who's working with a limited budget but who wants to consider some of these eco issues?
I think that the real thing that people should look for is that their heating system is an advanced heating system that's not based on fossil fuel, because that will really start to help you with money, and that's where it really counts. So electric heating shouldn't be done ever again. Even gas and things like that are quite questionable.
So I suppose people have to think long term, basically, and they have to think about the payback period of the technologies and the green aspects that are incorporated into the building.
Well, yes, it's very important to spend your money wisely, and I think that's certainly true. But this building didn't cost that much more than another building, and certainly if the building had been a bit bigger, you really would hardly have noticed the extra costs. And the reason for that is we've combined a lot of things together. We haven't got a heating system in each apartment. There's one system for the whole building, and that's downstairs in the plant room.
Well, gur maith, Brian.
Tá fáilte ruit.
Rachmid isteach tí bhir go bhfeicimid nárasan.
Ach seálainn inis na haibrithe tá gaile na bríoiseáin a dhéanamh.
Nis siad an stíl ventrolla, tá an focail sin as ventilation control, agus siad a chroithins an seod dhéanacht. Cuirtar isteach sa bhráma an seothe, agus seach í neibríonn se ná nuair a dhúntar an sais, brútar síosa, agus daingríonn se sin isteach ar íochtar an sais thuas, agus croithíonn se sin an séala atá seod dhéanach. Well, tá jab críochnaí inis, feicimid ar curú leis ar na feiban éilig. Well, is léir go sleanín an sais suas agus nuas go brá ré inis. Níl sé gligar nach go chuirbe, agus ní chluisim an draught go silar agus a chuala mar maidin. Agus maidir leis an seod, níarim seod a bith níos an. Is chus noch Fuinneog nó as a bísa go chinál seo idir 1,800 agus 3,500 euro. Níor chosan an obair deisiúchan seo ach faoi €500. So it's cínt go muintre tí bra sásta leis.